the motion we never feel. Right now, as you listen to this, you are moving. Not slowly, not gently, but at 30 kilometers per second around the sun. And that sun, it's racing around the center of our galaxy at 220 kilometers per second. And the galaxy itself, P, it is literally moving. P, it's tearing through the cosmos at 600 kilometers per second. Stack all of this together, and you, sitting quietly, are actually hurtling through the universe at over 1.3 million kilometers per hour. Yet you feel absolutely nothing. Why? Because motion means nothing when everything around you moves with you. Just like life. Sometimes we forget how fast we're moving, how far we've come. P, because we are inside the motion. P, the question that shatters the mind. Now pause and ask this. Question children ask, but adults forget. How big is the universe? The simple answer: big enough that human imagination collapses. The complex answer: possibly infinite. Infinite distance, infinite galaxies, infinite planets, infinite possibilities. If you walk left forever, no end. If you fly upward forever, still no end. In every direction, the same truth. There is no wall, no edge, no boundary. If the universe were a map, you could walk for 1 trillion years and never reach the margin, because the margin doesn't exist. The first paradox: if it's infinite, we aren't alone. Now here's where things get interesting. People debate: is there a God? Did life happen by chance? Are we alone? But in an infinite universe, alone becomes mathematically impossible. If chemicals randomly arrange themselves into life on Earth, then the same pattern can and must happen somewhere else. Not once, not twice, but an infinite number of times. There must be infinite Earths, infinite civilizations, infinite intelligences, infinite versions of life, more advanced, more ancient, more strange than anything we can imagine. So the real mystery is not, does alien life exist? But why haven't we seen even one? This is the Fermi paradox, the silence of the infinite. The universe is shouting with possibilities, yet the night sky feels mute. Why? Thread 1, the cage of light. The universe has a speed limit, the speed of light. Nothing with mass can break it. Not stars, not rockets, not even a thought. Who decided that? Why that number? 299,792 kilometers per second. So precise, so fixed, everywhere. A, constant, even across infinite space. But if light has been traveling for billions of years, why don't we see infinite stars? Why is the night dark? Because the universe might be infinite, but we can only see a tiny bubble of it, the part where light has had time to reach us. Everything beyond that, invisible, untouchable, forever hidden behind the cosmic curtain. P. Imagine standing on a beach, but only seeing the first 10 meters of ocean. The rest is still there. You just can't see it. That's our universe. Thread 2. If God exists, who created God? If the universe is infinite, how can a finite being control it? And if God created everything, who created God? And who created the creator of God? And who created the creator, who created the creator of God? This spirals until logic collapses. Our brain isn't built for infinity. It's built to survive lions, not understand universes. So eventually, we hit a wall, a silent point. The beginning of everything, the uncreated source. Call it God, call it the singularity, call it the cosmic engine. Whatever it is, it exists beyond our rules. Then, thread 3, the scares of infinity. There are two kinds of infinity. 1, infinity in space, where distance never ends. 2, infinity in time, where existence never ends. Both are terrifying. If space is infinite, life must be everywhere. Infinite planets, infinite civilizations. Then why have we seen none? If time is infinite, everything that can happen must eventually happen. Your life, your birth, your choices, all repeated an infinite number of times in infinite variations. A version of you. Lives in a galaxy 3 trillion light years away. Another version never existed. Another became something unimaginable. Time becomes a loop. Reality becomes a fractal. Existence becomes a repetition with infinite detail. Thread 4. The universe may be a simulation. Here's a harder punch. Maybe the universe isn't infinite. Maybe it only appears infinite because we are inside it. Like a video game world. Every video game has rules. Gravity, speed, physics. SPR, universe has rules too. The gravitational constant, the speed of light, values too perfect, too precise, too convenient for life to exist. Almost as if someone programmed them. Maybe we're not in a universe. Maybe we're in a simulation, a cosmic software, running since eternity. And we, tiny conscious dots, are lines of code, wondering who the programmer is. Period. Thread 5. The terrifying silence. The universe contains 2 trillion galaxies, each with 100 to 400 billion stars. Many stars with Earth-like planets. Even if only 0.1% of those planets have life, that's still millions of civilizations. Then why have we found 0? Maybe advanced species hide. They reached technological self-destruction. Bubble. Or worst, we are the first. Silence doesn't mean emptiness. It means mystery. The final truth. You are the rare miracle. And here's the twist. In a universe so huge, so infinite, so impossible to understand, you are conscious. You are aware of infinity, of time, of existence. Stars are blind. Galaxies don't think. Black holes don't dream. But you do. So, you, a microscopic moment, on a dust speck planet, orbiting a random star, in an unremarkable galaxy. Ask questions about the infinite. You seek meaning in the unending. Wonder why you exist, and that alone makes you more extraordinary than all the stars combined. Because in an infinite universe, the rarest thing is not a galaxy, not a black hole, not an alien. Civilization. The rarest thing is consciousness. And right now, listening to this story, thinking about infinity, trying to understand itself.